Hi guys, I'm doing my smoky eyes using this crayon eyeshadow pencils from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm also going to be using this eyeshadow pigment for this eye makeup look, so stay tuned. So first thing, I'll just start by creating my eye makeup base with the help of this blue crayon eye pencil, and I'll start from the inner corner of my eyes and giving it a nice shape like this, a half circle shape, and I'll fill in almost like 60% of my eyelid with the blue color. Next, I'm using this brown color eye pencil and I'm just creating a nice fringe. And this will be my limit for the eye makeup. I won't cross this one. It's going to be like an angular and cat-eye shape kind of eye makeup. I'm just filling in like rest 40% of my eyelid space with the brown. Next, I will connect this with my lower lash line, the brown part, and I'll do this almost 60% of my lower lash line with the brown color. Okay, and remaining I'll do it with the blue color crayon pencil, and just in 5 minutes I achieved this much of the eye makeup look, so it's very quick and easy. So I'm just going to use only one brush for the complete eye makeup, and I'm just going to blend out the edges, and I'm just trying to evenly spread out the eyeshadow and also trying to lightly shape up my eyes. So we're just going to do all of that. Also, I'll work on my lower lash line. So this was my step 2. Because the eye base is already creamy, so I'm going to stick these pigments only on the blue part of the eye makeup. You will not need any separate glue for this step because it's going to stick on this creamy and tacky base. Wow, this looks so pretty. I really like this pigment. You can check out Nykaa for this amazing pigment. And guys, remaining 40% of my eyelid space, I'm going to set it with the matte finish black eyeshadow, and I will darken up the outer corner. And the brush will remain the same. Till now I've used only one brush for this eye makeup look. I'm trying to use minimal tools and trying to make this eye look easier for you guys. So that's why I'm just smoking out the outer corner. That's all about this eye makeup. You know, it's smoky eye look, so it has to be intense. It has to be black and smoothed out. You can extend this a little bit like this in this direction, just to give that, you know, beautiful cat eye look. Just trying to keep my brush clean so that I can just switch on, use the same brush for the blue color also and for the black eyeshadow to avoid just any kind of mess with the clean eye makeup. So yeah, always keep cleaning your brushes when you switch the shades of the eye makeup. I'm using the blue crayon pencil on my waterline. Next, I'm going to soften these edges with the help of matte finish brown eyeshadow slightly, so it looks all nice and better. So it just gets everywhere on the edges of my makeup, like this. I also do my lower lash line. So just soften the look a little bit. Next, using a lighter brown shade, I'm just going to soften the edges. And guys, still I'm using the same flat tip brush. Till now I've used only one brush for this smoky eye look. Okay, now it looks soft and smooth and blended up. So guys, that's how you can just give the smoky look to your outer corners. And next I'm going to do a smudged liner on my upper lash line using the black eyeshadow, and except the blue one, whatever eyeshadow I'm using is matte finish. So I'll start from half of my upper lash line and I will create a smoky, and I'm still using the same brush. for all these steps. Okay. Next I'm just wearing this gel liner. Next I'm wearing my lashes to finish this eye makeup. This is the final look. I added the lashes and look at the look. It's beautiful, quite easy kind of smoky eye makeup. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See you all very soon. Till then, take care. Stay safe. Bye guys.